Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Guys, before starting a video please subscribe my channel, and today in this video we will discuss 40 dreamy small garden ideas to try on a budget. Nurturing a garden can make us feel happy, clamor and prideful, not to mention the presence of lush greenery and flowers can instantly spur up your outdoor space. Depending on your small space, you may choose easy to grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs that can be harvested at peak season, or opt for tropical plants, evergreen shrubs, or perennial flowers that require even less maintenance. Regardless, we have rounded up charming small gardens ideas that run the gamut, from building raised garden beds and unique vertical gardens to decorating with potted plants. Whether it's landscaping in the front yard, a vegetable garden in the back, or flower pots on a stylish patio, we have got a budget friendly hack for every area of your home. Even if you are a beginner gardener, embrace a garden look on the porch by turning vinely gutters into planters, hangs fresh herbs from a wooden platy, or got organized with hand crafted plants markers. If you want to flex your dye skill, try building a small fish pond, bubbly fountain, or orchard rails covered in the trailing plants. If you are building a brand new garden to revamp your current setup, don't forget to consider plants you would like to grow, and each got sunlight, soil, and water requirements. Now start scrolling these outdoor photos to find an ideas that's compatible with your small space. Guys, they are shown in the ideas in shown in this video are very worldwidely best ideas. I hope you are like these today in this video. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like, comments, and share with your besties. Thank you. Guys, a great option for beginners. Raised garden beds offer better soil drainage and don't require excessive tilling that can come along with an in-ground garden. Place small raised garden beds in the backyard, front yard, or even on a patio. Display multicolored flowers in a terracotta planter to save ground space. Take it a step further by recreating the beauty of a rainbow using red tulips, orange tiger lilies, yellow daffodils, and so on. This handcrafted sunflower sun catcher will add a dose of cheer to your outdoor garden. You will need a wooden flower and paint to get started, plus beads that will sparkle in the full sun. Turn an old wheelbarrow into a rustic flower garden. Just drill a few holes in the bottom for drainage. What's great about this setup is you can relocate your garden as needed. Summer flowers to enjoy in your outdoor garden all season long. If you are short on backyard space, hang flower filled planters from the porch, white windy gutter, and about 20 feet on of nylon rope are the main components of this adorable hanging garden. Get the tutorial at Pretty in the Vines. Help your crops grow taller and straighter with metal support stakes. Keep your plants off the garden and give them better access to sunlight while also adding visual interest to your small garden. Dedicate space for a small fish pond surrounded by the natural paving stones, then fill in the area with lush bushes and flowers. You will likely want to start with a pond liner, but keep in mind you will need an array of items to keep fish alive, like a pond pump and filter. Stay organized with plant makers, from tomatoes and cucumber to jalapeno peppers. Make sure you know exactly where your fruits and veggies are plotted with plant makers. Choose a sunny setup. Before building a garden, keep in mind that most vegetables and fruits prefer full sun, at least 6 hours of sun per day. Heartily design carefully considers the needs to each plant and chooses to use a mix of raised garden beds and planting directly into the garden. Everything you need to know about starting a vegetable garden. Transform a side yard. Use stake braids to establish a garden in one area of the yard, ideally the side closer to your property's edge. Bring in mulch and stones, then let truss trees and shrubs flourish. Guys, beautiful backyard decor ideas to create an outdoor oasis. Make the most of tiny spaces. If all you have got in is a small patio, use potted plants and trailing vines or to breathe life into the space. The end result is incredibly charming. Add fox grass, stepping stones. You might not have a huge lawn, but that does not mean you cannot enjoy a bite of grass, even if it's fox. These fox grass stepping stones are inexpensive to make on your own. Guys, please subscribe my channel and like and leave a comment for our better guideline. Grow a lettuce green wall. Obsessed with lettuce for an unexpected touch to your garden. Let the pattern set the foundation for a green wall. Accent with a wind chime. Instantly elevate a small garden space with a beautiful birdhouse wind chime like designer Cat Annie does here. Not only will it draw birds to your yard, it will create a shooting sound in the process. Fill a tray with plants. This metal table, originally intended for serving drinks, now overflows with Irish moss and succulents on a patio. Grow a cocktail garden. You guessed it. A cocktail garden is a space designated to growing ingredients for delicious drinks. Go for herbs like mint, basil, very styles such as picture vase, cube vase, mason jars, sculptural vase, and cylindrically vase. Vases make your sanctuary more inviting and appealing. Don't miss out on an array of different ways. Guys, third is wall art. One of the best decorative pieces in the home decoration items list is revamping your walls with pretty walls paintings. A painting is an expression of your emotions and personality, thus a painting complementing your interiors and your performance is like a star in your home decoration at world. One can find a wide range of paintings in all sizes in acrylics, watercolors, and oil paints depicting and fauna, religious landscapes, still life, and so on. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and tell for why you watch my video. Guys, fourth is decorative plates. When we talk about home accessories, decorative plates are quite in fashion with their quirky designs and visual appeal. Whether we talk about wall decorative plates or decorative plates with a stands, there are an number of themes and designs available at you can go for. Next is wall accents. Guys, fifth is wall accents. Wall accents are nothing but executive pieces of decoration items that can be hung on walls, radiating sophistication. Wall accents are like windows to the world of beauty and magic, transforming your home from just being or utilitarian or extraordinary. One can find an array of wall accents. Sixth is photo frames. Photo frames are the best ways to display your most cherished moment. Apart from serving as gorgeous home accessories, let's Let your happiest moment and special days or adorn your home, spreading joy. Seventh is mirrors. Can you imagine a house without a mirror? As mirrors are an inevitable part of your our home, then why not accessories your home with gorgeous looking mirrors instead of going for the average ones? Guys, eighth is clocks. Yes, clocks are primarily used to see the time, but who says they are not home decor worth large wall clock or unique decorative item and are the assets way to ornament your home without putting in much effort. Guys, ninth is artificial plants. Guys, the whimsical fox plants can add so much charm to your home as home accessories just like the real ones. Whether you talk about the therapeutic fox succulents or fox hanging vines, fox bonaceae, fox bonsai, and fox tulip sticks. Artificial plants spread a distinct charm and aura in the space around you. They are your best style accessories or trendy, talk, talking you close to